Republican Senator Lindsey Graham, a close ally of US President Donald Trump, has died at the age of 71. His office released a statement saying he died on the evening of July 11 following, and I quote, a brief and sudden illness, unquote, adding that Graham's family had asked for privacy during the incredibly difficult period. He had just returned from Kyiv, where he met with the Ukrainian President Zelensky on Friday, and there were no known health concerns ahead of his trip. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Malvika Pandey. Malvika, take us through the details that are coming in terms of this.
Absolutely, Ria. What we're learning is that Lindsey Graham, a long-time aide of U.S. President Donald Trump, has sadly passed away at the age of 71. For now, what his family has released in an official statement is just that he has died from a brief and sudden illness, with no further details on that as of now. But of course, Lindsey Graham served in the U.S. Senate for over 2 decades and was known as a foreign policy expert. He backed Trump's war in Iran as well, and he had just recently returned from a trip to Kyiv. What we're learning right now is that U.S. President Donald Trump has also issued a statement on Truth Social following the death of his close ally, where he called him a true patriot. What Trump said was, Senator Lindsey Graham, one of the greatest people and senators I have ever known, is dead. He was always working and was a true American patriot. Lindsey will be greatly missed. Details and arrangements to follow. So sad, President Donald J. Trump. Now, of course, another very interesting thing is that initially Lindsey Graham, in fact, sort of clashed with Trump on a number of issues and had spoken out against the U.S. president and his policies. But later on, he went on to become one of his staunchest supporters and backers, with Trump now calling him a true patriot. And Trump has also stated that further details and arrangements that will be made for the last rites and the funeral of his ally, Senator Lindsey Graham, will follow soon as well. Yes, Ria, back to you.
All right, Malvika Pandey, thank you so much for joining me on the telecast. Meanwhile, that's a wrap for the bulletin. We'll slip into a short break.